Increasing data demand requires more high-quality cable connections. Polywater's SqueekyKleen is specifically designed to quickly clean and prep communication cable to meet these needs. Its use speeds installation and limits downtime. SqueekyKleen comes in a convenient pre-saturated white package with a durable non-linting towel. Combine the effective cleaning with a high-performance towel and the fiber prep is a snap. The strands are cleaned and will fan in just a few wipes. Listen. No alcohol needed. The high-performance wiping towel is designed with small holes or apertures to collect and hold the various greases and picks found in communication cables. The SqueekyKleen formula quickly dissolves greasy pick. As a comparison, alcohol simply doesn't work. SqueekyKleen is an effective cleaner. It removes polybutene and asphaltic flooding compounds from coaxial cable. It cleans with minimal effort, leaving zero residue. SqueekyKleen is safe on all types of coatings. It does not stress crack polyethylene and is compatible with acrylate and mylar coatings found in fiber cable. SqueekyKleen removes all gels and powders, keeping splice equipment clean for better fiber alignment and splice quality. SqueekyKleen is a system solution. It cleans all types of communication cable and equipment. It is fast, safe, and effective, saving money and time. For more information or to place an order, contact American Polywater.